Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX. The 350 SLX is an awesome day boat, huge bow, huge cockpit, great entertainment all over this thing. So on the outside we got the beautiful Sea Ray blue color on the hull side with the black on the bottom. It's a beautiful looking boat with the hard top. So why don't we come aboard and check out the rest of this beautiful boat. All right, tons of features here in the cockpit of the SLX 350. So first want to show you the beautiful seating arrangement here. You can bring all your friends and family on board. You've got seating all the way around. You've got the beautiful teak table. This table can be folded up and stored away when not in use. You've got speakers all over the place in this boat. Everything is Fusion. It is the upgraded, so you got subwoofer and upgraded speakers throughout as well. And then right over here at the entertainment bar, we have the electric grill. And then we've got a nice small sink right here. And then below here is a place just to store some cold stuff, refrigerator. And then as I open this up, we got a nice trash receptacle right there. So great place to entertain everybody. The last thing I want to mention is the opening here. So when it's nice and sunny, you can open this up, let the sun come all through for everybody here in the cockpit. And when you're ready, you can just pull that back and it locks right into here and keeps you nice and shaded if it does get too hot as well. We got the co-captain's chair here with bolster seat that can obviously come up and down. And then over here at the captain's helm area, again, bolster seat for the captain and somebody else that wants to sit here. I'll push this down. I'll come right over here if you come on this side. So we have the Mercury. This is obviously a twin engine boat, being a 35. So twin Mercs, they're 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower each, so 600 horsepower in total. And then you also have the Mercury joystick control right over here. So in tight spots, it's a really easy boat to maneuver left or right, sideways even, or just spin in a 360. And then they also have what they call sky hook. So I can press a button, the boat will sit in a GPS location without moving. So that's a really cool thing if you're waiting for somebody to come underneath the bridge before it's your turn. So kind of nice to have that. Got the beautiful leather wrap steering wheel from Sea Ray with the Sea Ray logo embossed right there. We got twin Simrads, the two 12-inch Simrad screens right here, easy to use. You've got all your lighting information here on the boat. Over here, I've got information on my engines. I've got speed over ground, I got fuel, I've got my depth. I've got everything that I need in both of these screens. Some redundant controls right into here, and then access to my Fusion stereo where I can control the sound all throughout the boat and actually put it in just the bow or just in the cockpit area. You have an option to choose to do that. So Fusion stereo is awesome to have. Let's take a look at the bow. So in the 350, we've got a beautiful bow right here. We have the option of having two teak tables. These obviously can be taken out and stored as well, but a great place to sit with family and friends. You got cup holders, you got the speakers up here, you got places to charge, you got some storage in the floor, and then the other thing you have access to is access to your windlass here behind me, and you have access to the windlass at the helm as well, but if you want to use it up here, you can. So a couple other things to show you. Let's take a look. All right, so we just have a couple more places I want to show you here on this SLX 350. The first here on the starboard side is the head. Very nice pointed head for the 350. It does have a sink down there. It does have the vacuum flush. It does have a drain and some storage. Just a nice little area if you have to use the bathroom. So the other place I want to show you right here is on the port side. So if you need to get out of the sun, if you need to maybe have the kids watch some TV, there's a TV down there. There's a nice place to sit. It does have some air in there as well. So if you want to get away, this is a great place. Thanks for joining me aboard this SLX 350 from Sea Ray. This boat is here at our Rogers location. So if you'd like to come on by, you can always give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'll love to show it to you. Click the like button for this video and also click to subscribe to MarineMax to see all the videos we're putting out every day.